spicy pineapple jerk wings. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing that you see here is a wet jerk rub. So we're going to start with that. I'm just going to get that kind of stirred in evenly on all of the pieces. And then from there, you're going to see me season the chicken even more with a jerk seasoning. Now, you have to be careful. You can season it the way that you want. The rub already is, the wet rub is already spicy. So the jerk seasoning, the dry rub, it does have some spice, some kind of kick to it as well. So you do want to be careful not to over season or overpower it, because don't forget, you're also going to have a sauce that's going to have some form of a kick to it. So you don't want to do too much. But again, sis, bro, season it to your taste. Okay? So once we get this done, then we're going to pop it in the pan so that we can get ready to get our chicken in the oven. Okay, now it's time for the fun part. Well, at least for me. I don't know. I have so much fun making sauces. But so now what we're doing is we're going to put together our pineapple spicy sweet sauce to go on our jerk chicken. So there are a few things that are going to be used here. I'm using some peppers and adobo sauce. I'm using some mustard. I'm using pineapple juice, of course, a little bit of lime juice, ketchup, some sugar, season it up a little bit with a little garlic powder. I'll link below like everything that I'm using to make this sauce. But when I tell y'all, this sauce is fire, okay? Along with the jerk flavor, you're definitely going to get that balance of that sweet and spice with a little bit of tropic from the pineapple flavor. So stay tuned so you can see what it looks like when it's done. All right, guys, as you can see now, I did heat the sauce up. That is imperative. Once you get it mixed in the bowl, you want to put it on the stove, get it hot, let it thicken, let all of those different flavors get together in marriage, you know what I mean? So that they all work as one to create an amazing sauce. So now that that is complete, it is time to get this sauce on this chicken, mix it all up, shake it up, and then show you what the end result is for my spicy pineapple jerk chicken. Okay, when I tell y'all, boy, your girl did her thing, okay? I don't care what nobody say. This sauce right here on this chicken, baby, is fire, okay? All right, family, we are now at the finish line. The sauce is ready, okay? Here's what it looks like. Now it is time to get this sauce on that jerk chicken and time to get it all mixed in, okay? Get that jerk flavor, get that spice, get that sweet, get that pineapple, get that tropical flavor, get all that married together right now. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Hit me up and let me know how yours turned out. Keep in mind, you don't have to make yours jerk. Make it however you want. Stay safe. I love you. Have a good one. See you soon.